ma la ga changdar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka changarau ka pai warau ka ron kin dang rau di jandang rau di diech agan mak bangut gok bay nong lar tin la nong yen siang ka dung dit media ka tin lat ka ro di re jinu ba Sudan ka na win mo na do dien wala ga changarau ka pai warau dung dit media bay yener yenne dia da la gor ga ja online ka wo cha chau ka pai ma bor pai mi jidit ka no pai me bala pai me gwa revolution ka ne dia long kon tin te revolution ne side so jang ne ner mala no jang ne ga yene dia ya pai me chup ka bia ngor ko mo gor dung din media re lan do kon no ye ko bia bar tin bitwo bia ga ling tin dung din media wala ga chang ga ro ko pai waro baga yino akbar ga tir lan pan ka chang kel akbar ko nyam be ka ti tuo re jub pan ga chang kel ka pai waro jube chener ka tol chener ka mashakal tir la rede je tuo ko wa chang dar ki tu ko nya ala tu ko dir ka jub je te ga incident china dwai mai rede je de tuo ko cha de ko je chum ko ane dang rau cha kan nak ke incident mo ka chang dar pan blun chang kel ka pai waro tu ko nya bu da ga kana let because of that incident chola kel no mo ko warun wang me chum ko gwa tyang nu ta ba kel chu tu ndi ka custom ala tu da kam custom ke da nyakuron cho wang the cause of wang de ngunong ma jo mu da kana na ngai yana devastation ya la da ma jo ma yana nen manu por ko ko kon ngati ko chala very devastated fire yetung wan ja ngar tung wan along che tu che wang most part of the soup che gre teles tung kon che ga wat be ni wat to kon ni je food stupid che ga wang ko custom so these are two incidents to pan ka gwa changdar and about 8 o'clock ka tiang ka gwa tiang na chu torombo ala gas station meter within Juba to plot people don't know what caused them your mic your son to produce 3 times ka Juba tiang war ma yeran shelling ko take me to so mun taro ka san di to pan ka changa kel ka pai warau ti chalat ka Juba murai kon chimna la ne ko pai me bala pai mu wa revolution a situation na na joy ka Juba ko situation to ko Juba chala situation me desperate ne ideal ti la desperate ko there are mi chamajen the country you collapse the economy you collapse you civil serve your la kabo kum diga paireu up to now there are million jack mululu to collapse economic system in the country that everyone take a survival mood ko ngudere jago mudere survive ga jamo mudere chamo that cause all the problem not happen to go Juba like me to work a custom man in the back people of Juba they were there kwakaje dwai ka mic ko ga mwang it was a dramatic a scene upon measure like a custom so mululu water rock a signs of where there are a growing problem take a to pit to can they pie whatever Juba will not be served chaba go but a problem and problem ni bigala and chap whether no can or local they will do something bad bukume maybe jabi understand the situation out of control so to ro ri lat pan ga Juba ra ta la ne go tukpak me tok pai ro daga je and no akela na nong ne about incidents of yesterday te chiro ri lat ka Juba men nyam kula the main topic of today apart from that update the chago about incident of Juba ta kon ke question we go na ba ra jode and we give you some picture ka je wo ngumo de question mo na roi kon tin chiang ta go gar tin pan ko Nuer that is united Nuer ni ke 2013 ne yot ka mai ban ka 2025 me da kon tin that is united the disunity of Nuer an ku le lo ngono go ban disunited we cannot talk about before 2013 the colony we are united no question about that lakin from 2013 up to now yara dag ne chang e yot kamai and ga yana dag ron chang e yot kamai still continues up to today and that's why we talk about ngutele Nuer unity but the areas of ngutele kon unity ngutele kon one prawn ngutele kon one political prawn kan den ba ko wa jodien ko what are the cost of this unity Nuer so ko no yene ko do ngoro ko no la lenga nei ti la gor ko nei ko dung dit media online mi jo mi che jak lenge be like ko be share ko ba ko wan ba ko le shop ba ne kon lenga tung Nuer na me ba ko le ja je ga bar don kon to nong nei ke ko dung dit media when we talk about this unity ko Nuer ko ngumo ko so Nuer bi ko disunite bi ko guli since 2013 up to now kon we accept ko kon wa ra ga jokel tele kon single boys me go kor me ko ora to tele kon jokel ra ga kon and the reason why we don't have a single boys me pen kon man ta jokel che tok bang che porro me tok tu ko ro ko tin kon ba ko ra jodien ko me pen ro bi jal kelo ngu pen go bi jal kelo menyam take a political triggers depend on Robi Jalke. Can the Guru Banagala Rodan go, what are the type of political triggers? Depend on Wabana Jalke. This unity to Rode Nigga War 2013. Nigga Waja Winnie Mature, the self-care we come July 2013. Mecha accuse one nete ku mecha delat. Mechi be jo ya lakai. Mecha be ngaje ne dia. Mechi je no. Wala tuge to ko mashakal kam jana ga Nuer ko ku me Junuba Sudan. And then you Nuer yo mo ge reason. Ko they can say it. Cha agreement Chao situation ne da ne gwe me de Nuer kana jang de ku me nywa kel ke je chadak kan jang ke that particular time so you allow very clear grievances which you Nuer you focus on it Nuer dial so you ko that is a problem ko worry much that was the beginning of our disunity so talk one SPLM may take internal crisis issue that ngai kono go me work ka election of 2015 HR plan go nga ba come together you are cause of the problem me la cause of problem chu Nuer wara da ngani wana mo faro den da ngani ngan gwa mo chu ko daga Nuer jaade chu ko daga Nuer la Nuer chu boys den wara da chu daga ne ti chunkel ga ja dit Nuer de la ga go ne there should be fair treatment ka political party me wala SPLM e chan la daga kon dial kel mi yana ko ter ga kwid Nuer te kon te lar ga je truth ajen bu ma ja ba gwa chu ko chong ke side of ne lar ga je there must be a change chu kan te dial te kon de la Nuer de ngai kon ge wo de shoot ken ta ga tin chu ko chong ke ku myself care krai tu ko tell me get on cha ku me care cha ge that was the beginning if we look into that be ngaje wona ne took problem to ron go woy de ma char the internal problem of the SPLM the 2013 me chu Nuer chu ron de nda chu te ga war ga self care ke war ga ma char so as we said wona ne we know them group da rock 2013 ga Nuer de ken ke chuang dit Nuer we have them in our record ngai kon ke ka Nuer ken ke te khairar ka Nuer ken ke te chu lu njok ko we have that development Ko chuna kairar ke 2013 ke 2015 chuna lunjo who are they? Nga kana nga. We know them. Ke 2016 chuna ara binyo ko munu nare. Chobe tegane ti binyo ko ndot kel ke adu who are they? We know them. Ke 2025 me cha karo nyo mu to ko me. Eta ga Nuer ya nyo mu shar karo ri nyo. Mar karo adu who are they? We know them all. So no more a sequence of this story that we will talk about at a time. Ko ngai kondo ko wame chunamara lelene, wame chunamara lelene, which is indication of Nuer they were disunited. This process of kor kata ta kana kor ku University Sudan kara unite, and the reason which is a political one nyanta anda la ne. Makelano and one politically, Nuer chara betray. And that betrayal, we're talking about 2013, kung group beda ne chu jal kel kane kume jane, you're lay, you group you jal kel Nuer, you're lay, you division you're talking near one. That was a political trigger. Menong the Nuer politically 2013. Number two, the militia fragmented. We can say fragmented militias group no con. Chara fragment, chara dagaping. White Army, 90s, we can say it. We know the history of White Army. Again, Shurabanyo established 2013 me a Kondaga Juba. Organized. And we know like a central command. Tell our command who report to. As we know who report locally. Tell like a chain of command, tell like a control, tell like objective. No more substantial objective. Military, the sugar. White Army is active at a time when there is a grievances which are influence local issues. See many and coronator. It had a coronator, a core five dog done. You allow local grievances still within issue of year, issue of root, issue of month. So we mean Torogolat White Army. Lack of central command is one of the problems. Ko our power, they are fragmented. Power and ched the cupping. Tamoko door, thin cane. And that power of our again White Army, Yatana, and that corner go. Corner when we have a war, but a corner your corner. Tell one of corner, our children can now our foster. So we can organize. Take a fragment, there is no central command, there is central decision making, so we have nothing. Telecom power. So we know that issue of militia, the authority, the control is one of the problems. Mandodian. The sub-ethnic group, sub-clanism. About 12 of them. We know the corn buckle quick here, the corn buckle quick here. We know them all. So, and that ethnic is plight. We are a dark buckle. She called them misuse, and misunderstand. Shall I receive for our problem? This is for our disunity. Who loyalty of Tugbili? Loyalty of who consume. That you root our political objective as a Nuer community. Say you root. Kubo kon kelamat. But that is a division. Memang mat. Bewang ngar. One of the example, a worker 13 may kurme Paradox automatic because of that ethnic line. It a group of you work as well my supporting the Nuer objective. Which are Nuer na Juba kuma na kono Juba. Tell me a dog on a man Nuer ngak na man Nuer ngak. You know that no my local you yen as individual, you yen as a subduli, you yen as a communitist. So I spell my way to join again. So it a Nuer to choose as spell my ye la kum. So I join again as individual, as a community, as a subduli. No more ethnic loyalty. We can take example. Go talk again book on Jaban or Lato. Man, I mentioned you banana. Ketu 13 me Kurini. Chubul, Chumarga kum, Chumarga jang. Shella power when you make a jang, Mugang Bargadel, Muku Bantu, quite disturb light. We know they call another Bantu bull. There are more than another jang. Kajibati of the com. So she will one of the example and the reason. Ida nejak bulgu wone nebi bulji and cornuare. Number one, historical ethnic tension. Kambul Canada. We have all this thing. Ngai kondialge. Udok kana bull te malin kawai wuma malin kawai see 1986. And I know if you have a problem go to 13 name machakal to adapt that list you bull you got a problem near Kadok because of young machare dog. Your attention, which is a ethnic tension. Shubul we call Nuer. May a bull we call Nuer. As we say, one and a devastation, Nejala Takabanti bull, a significant. When you go one of a strong message, you knew the other disunity to a problem. Not only bull within Bantu to Jagay. You are like a ukum, you marajam. You know, when I go to Konya Lualgo, Guma Konya Lualgo, Wushulu. So the Diallo Mashakal are Bantu. This is a ethnic, which is clanism, Monsieur Nuer. We share devastate. We can talk east and where there are kind of people like this, two communities. We talk now, look at the end of the Nuer. Look at his word. So all these things are coordinated. The ethnic loyalty that cause ethnic division come Nuer. And now we can say ethnic division is one of the problems. Madje gu no condition of fragment. It's a good white army, the Doroga white army, which is the power of Nuer, Chad Central Command. One of the cause of this unit. Politically, Mature, quite a guard, allow to represent the Nuer political force. Yamano, Nediarano, when you Aramkel Mokor Nuer, Mutake Nuer interest, Malade, which is the ethnic nationalism, like Tana and Tagajang, and take a young interest, blood keken, up to today. Lakin within the Nuer, the Canary, it young mature, it's a Nuer, the Alaga represent. If we talk about these people now, there are many. Kakakira long go by Nuori, Baga represents, but Gaga, you young mature, it's a Nuori, Chaka represents. How? Tell a quen. So politically, Nuer, they have problem, personalities. Kurang log yang macam as a person. Karam nyuan nong chi lodge port je. Ya dal ko ne revolution taban take a problem. But yo, but a displacement ni, but I don't want to walk in. So some of the people that are all group are caught. They call their personalities to look at logo they are there, which is a political rivalries can or thin coexist. No more next to ethnic division. Could call loyalties to ethnic group, low, yagay, dog, nyong, power, lap, because you know. The same like this political tension come ne siasian kon ko sinara ning anga ko na temi lo ko ngap and objective na na gurke men kwa ngak lo kwa ngak nok we have one objective bapar katoro kati the thin Tulaga jago one and problem no water me pen go big take a unity as we have planned. Malaysia need to good to autonomous. To chungra mo ko chongde. She white army law ko white army jikain ko white army nga. To chungu chongde in the central command. It's one of the problem. Look power and look who is plight, Penacon ban consolidate ban a long cane. The con good, the telecon central decision making. Look all along them. A calendar. That contested political leadership. Who take a Nuer or one core without objective. It's one of the problems. We talk about ethnic division. That means a sub-ethnic rivalries, like clanism. We are one tribe. That clan base, as we talk about, a problem. And finally, Kumijana take its own tactics. Tell let go that we always see. Ko should come down. Take a Nuer well to take a label again. Since 2013, yet another. We take a 2013, we take a 2015, we take a 2016, and now we have 2018 also that we forget. And now we have 2025, we have all these things. As we said, that list Katin, who corona, betraying up. Because we say no political story, remember the content, a journey. Want to succeed anytime. Taro can look on the day all over Wale. Kadung din media nung nege as an update, as an analysis. Here katana ya kalat ko na update da situation yo larga jube ang pan that one. Ko ya daga signs of Juba is not served anymore. But that perspective we give you the disunity. What is the cause of it? Take a right. Fragmented malicious. White army. Major Dagapin, I tell a central command. Say power and bush Dagapin, I tell a central decision making. A core weekend. It is unity, you know. So we talk about competition, politician, we talk about lack of central decision making. Telecom political common interest are the Nuer. Tene go ga ma chara yala core and of course yala core lakin take a group within. And that group within chaga won look ethnic division, la ethnic the balere come no rodi. Ko ro ye do ri and go ba support because of all long na to look to build. So those are the things. Boko summarize and then we go and look into them. Your own analysis of this thing that can be called unity. And what can we do? Thank you.